Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Compose section of Zoho Writer. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the Compose section, which is where you can create your document.
To access the Compose section of Zoho Writer, log into your Zoho.com account and select the Writer app. Here you'll find it under Email and Collaboration. Once you're in the Writer app, you'll see a list of your documents, but right now we'll be creating a new one. So to create a new document, click on the Create New button and then select Blank Document. This will take you to the Compose section where you can start writing your document. The Compose section of Zoho Writer is similar to other word processors you may have used before. You can change the font, size, color, and other basic formatting options using the toolbar found at the left of the page. To change the font, simply select the text you want to format and click on the font drop-down. You can also change the font size, font color, and all other options using the toolbar. Zoho Writer also has more advanced formatting options. For example, you can add headers and footers, create tables, and insert images and other media. To add a header or footer, for example, go to the Insert menu and then select Header or Footer. You can then choose from a variety of header and footer styles. Let's go with this one. Insert an image, click on the Insert menu again and select Image. Here you can choose from a variety of source. You can upload, insert a URL, or pick some from your work drive. Here you can also insert a table and select the specifications you want. One of the great things about Zoho Writer is that it allows for collaboration. You can share your documents with others and work on it together in real time. To share your document, click on the Share button at the top of the page. You can then enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the document with. You can also choose whether they can edit the document or just view it. Finally, once you've finished your document, you can save it and download it in a variety of formats. To save your document, simply click on the Save As button. You can then choose whether to save the document to your Zoho Docs account or download it to your computer. You can also choose the format you want to export the document in, such as PDF or Microsoft Word. You can also export the document. Click on File menu and then select Download As. You can again choose the format you want to export the document in, such as a PDF, an RTF, or a Microsoft Word.
And that's it. You now know how to use the Compose section of Zoho Writer. Remember to experiment with different formatting options and take advantage of the collaboration features to work with others on your document. Thanks for watching.